One Earth Health ozone generators are small and powerful. Ozone is created for eliminating odors ranging from smoke, pets, chemicals, food, people, and the environment, to name a few. The ozone generator outflow is between 20 to 50 milligrams per hour. It has an easy adjustable knob to control ozone output. Its dimensions are 4 inches tall, 3.5 inches wide, and 2 inches deep. That gives you a small and compact unit that doesn't take up a lot of room. The coverage range is up to 500 square feet. That's a 25-foot by 20-foot room, roughly the size of a living room. The device is a simple plug-and-play unit. Step 1. Plug in the device. Step 2. Rotate the side knob clockwise to turn device on. The front light will turn on also. Step 3. To adjust ozone output, rotate the knob clockwise to increase outflow and counterclockwise to decrease outflow. Step 4. To turn off the device, rotate the knob counterclockwise until you hear a click and the front light turns off. Ozone safety shouldn't be taken lightly. It can be harmful if people misuse any type of ozone generator regardless of size. Please follow the below tips. 1. Run the generator in an empty room. This includes pets. 2. For most cases, run the generator between 15 to 30 minutes. If you need to run it longer, we advise not to run it more than 2 to 3 hours. Don't run the generator all day. It may burn out the motor. 3. Let the room air out for 5 to 10 minutes before entering. The manufacturer, One Earth Health, offers a lifetime guarantee on all of its products. Their focus is to create high-quality products for you and provide support to any questions that you may have.